Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes and sponges. Affordable ways to clean your brushes and sponges at home. Guys, you don't need expensive items to get them clean. I am using a bar soap, a cheap one, anyone will do. I'm gonna soak the sponges in water as well as the brushes. This will help you to clean them so fast and easy. And now I'm taking a brush, just rubbing it on the soap. This is just basically the process you need to do. Just keep rubbing, and while doing this you see the dirty foundations and concealer washing off. This is just continuously rubbing, we just get those brushes clean. And after rubbing a while, just massage the soap in the brush and just massage and just wash it off with water. That is basically all you need to do. Guys, the first time I found out these techniques, I was like, oh my god, this is basically the best way to get them off. You don't need expensive product, because sometimes, example like using a coconut oil or olive oil, they leave excess oil in your brush, and that is not good when you are doing a foundation. So guys, this is simple, cheap, and affordable. You can get this product at home, you can easily get them, and that is all you need to do. So guys, you see how clean the brush is, and this is basically the same process you're going to do to the brush and as well to the sponge. Just keep rubbing and massage, squeeze out the dirtiness, and you are good to go. So guys, that is it. Keep watching, enjoy. So guys, I'm taking a bigger brush, a powdered brush. I'm going to do the same process. Because it's a very big brush, I'm going to massage it very well so the soap will go inside and clean very well. So I'm going to do the same process to the smaller one. Just rub and massage, squeeze out the dirty soap and everything, then you just wash them out. And yes guys, that is all you need. Same process, they are so clean, fresh, and ready to be used. So guys, I'm going to do the same process to this other brush, and that is all you need. Guys, after washing all the brushes, I'll take a very dry towel and lay them all flat. Laying them all flat will make them dry without soaking in the brushes. So guys, that is all you basically need, and we're ready to go. Thank you. Bye.